about RBI Monetary Policy Committee meeting, and that's the reason the Nifty has rallied past the mark of 17,600. It's the real estate pack which is leading from the front, and then the banking space is also quite excited with financials and NBFCs doing a large part of the heavy lifting. It's only IT and FMCG which is on the back foot, understandably so, given the fact that the updates from the FMCG majors hasn't been that great. But let's welcome on board Rahul Sharma as well. He's the Director, Head Technical and Derivative Research at JM Financials. Rahul, it's the day of weekly options expiry as well, and it seems like we are in good stead. Where do we go from here on?
Yeah, so finally we are exhibiting strength, as far as the recovery is concerned, and goes to show the kind of stress that we were in the last four and a half months. Now, the way Nifty is positioned, I think there could be a little bit of profit booking, maybe around the 17,800 mark. But looking at the way the Nifty 500 index, which is a broader market indicator, is placed, it seems like we are very much on track to give this breakout from the downward channel that we have been slogging through since December 22. So the way the broader market is placed, things have definitely improved by a great margin in the first few days of April, and I think it should get better as the month progresses. As far as Nifty targets are concerned, I think 17,800 should be the first possible target for the Nifty on this way up. And once that is navigated, or once a small pullback comes in, that could be a brilliant re-entry opportunity. I think we are seeing the Nifty close to around 18,200 anytime soon. So both the indices, both the Nifty and the Bank Nifty, are placed pretty well. In fact, Bank Nifty is even better as that index has actually led the market not only on the way down but also on this recovery that we have been witnessing. So 41,200 was the resistance. Today we are finding a bit of resistance around that area, but I think that should also be taken out sooner than later, and we should be very well be headed around 42,500 odd. So both the indices, the setup is positive. I think if there is a meaningful correction dip that happens over the next 2 or 3 trading sessions, there is a lot of money waiting on the sidelines for re-entry. And considering some of the index set heavyweights are placed, like SDFC twins have started outperforming. We have Bajaj twins where downside has been capped. We have IT index which is reversing, and especially the Nifty 500 index, which I just spoke of, which is a broader market indicator. Clearly, things are much better as compared to what we were a few weeks back as far as the market is concerned.
Right, Rahul. So 18,200 anytime soon, and the Nifty IT index is reversing. Any other sector, any other stocks, stock picks that is looking attractive to you at this juncture?
Yeah, so once it's more of a bottom-up approach. In auto, we are liking Tata Motors particularly well. The stock has been consolidating since many months now, and if you look at the weekly charts, there is a nice symmetrical triangle pattern in formation, which has given green shoots of a possible breakout on the card. So on a very short-term time frame, I think 450, 460 is very much possible. But on a slightly medium-term time frame, say around 2 to 3 months, this could very well be headed for another 20% upside from these levels. So positionally, we feel Tata Motors is a good bet, can be bought at these levels. Stop loss placed at 424. Another sector that we like particularly is pharma. Now, pharma has done well in the last few days, last few trading sessions, and now I think the momentum is catching up in the some of the names where there was a lot of consolidation, there was a lot of sideways action. One of the names is Torrent Pharma. Now, this stock has seen a breakout from the recent consolidation. Volumes have been pretty good, and I feel there is a decent upside possibility in the coming few days. So we remain bullish on Torrent Pharma for a target of rupees 1630 and 1700 on the upside, and feel that the pharma index, which has been doing so well, should continue its positive price action in the coming few days as well. So pharma is one space that we like, and from the auto pack, I think it should be Tata Motors, which can deliver the performance that we're looking on the upside.
Okay, Rahul, we'll let you go on that note. Thank you so much for joining us. So Tata Motors as well as Torrent Pharma, a couple of picks coming in. Appreciate your time today.